tools needed for this install is your T20 Torx screwdriver or ratchet. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today I'll show you how to install Spyder taillights on a 2013 to 18 Dodge Ram LED version. First, let's open up the tailgate. Using your T20 Torx, remove 2 screws, 1 and 2, holding the taillight. After you remove your screws, grab your taillight and carefully slide it back. Disconnect your reverse light bulb socket by turning it counterclockwise. And then disconnector here, you're going to disconnect it. It's for the parking, brake light, and turn signal. Go ahead and bring over your Spyder taillight. Flip it over to the back. We're going to connect the parking, brake light, and turn signal socket. Make sure it's locked in place. Now go ahead and grab your reverse light bulb socket. Before we connect it to the assembly, make sure the rubber gasket is intact so that when we connect it to the assembly, it stays sealed. Go ahead and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Tuck your wires in. Then make sure these 2 guides right here fall into the slot. Push it in place. Reinstall your 2 T20 screws. Now that we're finished installing the driver's side tail light, let's repeat the same process to the passenger side. Now that we're finished with this install, let's go ahead and close the tailgate and test all the taillight functions, make sure everything's working properly.